So the other day, a friend asked me to build him a custom bass guitar. It's my first time building a bass, and actually it's my first time making a guitar for someone other than, me. And since that's already challenging enough, why not make it worse by putting a short deadline on it? Because yes, I only have 6 weeks to build this, painting included. Because he wants it for his birthday, May the 1st. But hey, I love a challenge. This needs to be the best thing I've ever made. It's my chance to prove I can build guitars for others. So if you want to see what happens when you say yes to a project you have never attempted before, for a friend you really like and gave you money,
Ah putain.
on a short deadline, stick around because nothing can go wrong, right?
Putain.
Okay, so my friend has some very specific requests. He wants the precision bass with the vintage pickguard shape and a metal plate configuration, also known as Precision Bass 51 or Telebass, but with a modern high output P-Bass pickup. He prefers passive pickups but wants a beefy sound, so I have to find a suitable pickup for that. He wants the body painted yellow, like a Telecaster, with comfort chamfers on the front and the back, and a maple neck with black block inlay. And of course, since it's custom made, only top-notch components. It's unintended, but it's somewhat like Mike Dirnt from Green Day bass, but without that hideous style. Making a neck is a time-consuming process.
To speed things up, I agreed with my friend to purchase a hand pre-made neck from all parts. Made in Japan with black block inlays and a jazz bass nut width for added comfort. For the body, I created the design in Adobe Illustrator and then cut it using my Shaper Origin. This tool is handy because it eliminates the need to create an MDF template first. Challenging part was designing the neck pocket around the existing neck heel. The body is made from a 2-piece thread holder I bought from the Portuguese company Guitars and Woods. To preserve my shaper router and my bits, I like to stop at mid-depth and then use my traditional router to finish the job. Have you seen that I changed the YouTube channel name? Yeah, now it's The French Guitar Guy. After asking for your opinion in the last video, I chose this name for the YouTube channel. I think it's much simpler to attract an international audience and it immediately answers those who watch me. Yes, I'm French, I have an accent and welcome to the channel. However, this only concerns the YouTube channel. I was thinking of keeping my name for guitar making, Archambault Guitars. Or Archambault Guitars maybe in English. Or maybe Archie alone is easier in English, like Archie Guitars. Or the pronunciation Archie Guitars maybe, like Architect. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you.
For the pickguards, as it's an existing precision bass model and my friend wanted 3 different colors, and because I hate working with those plastic sheets, I ordered them pre-made online, but I regret it. My shape was not exactly like the models those pickguards was made for. The control plate was not exactly where I cut the hole on the body, so I have one of the screws that is screwing into nothing.
So I had to cut and shape a little piece of wood to glue it under the screw and make the hole bigger on the other side.
Lesson learned, next time I will make the pickguard myself. Now, a really challenging part for me, drilling the channel for the ground wire.
This step is difficult because on a bass, the distance between the bridge and the control cavity is huge. You have to drill straight first, tilt the drill bit, and then use a giant drill bit to join the control cavity.
And I'm pleased to tell you, it went perfectly.
Ah putain.
No, of course not!
Ah putain. Ah putain.
I made one of the biggest mistakes of the project. I drilled straight through the other side of the body. I didn't angle my drill bit enough, so it never joined the control cavity.
I was shocked at my failure. I felt so dumb looking at my mistake, so I stopped everything to calm down and think of a solution to fix that freaking error.
Carefully, I drilled from the control cavity to join that channel. Then I drilled a larger hole on that pre-existing hole, I guess, to plug it with the dowel. I used wood glue, sawdust and wood filler to try to erase my mistake. I'm embarrassed of course, but that was the only solution to avoid starting over. And since the body will be painted, it won't be visible.
But now, Clément, as you're watching this video, this is the big mistake I told you about. Sorry. And so about painting. While I was building this base, my buddy bought a yellow and maple Telecaster, fulfilling his need for yellow. So he asked me to do something different, using this Jaguar as a reference. He now wanted the body to be black. Painting black high gloss is very challenging, because it's already a tedious task to sand orange peel, but with black, fine scratches are highly visible. Just look at black cars in the streets. They are not perfect, so you need a lot of fine polishing. So when he asked if I can do black high gloss, like any reasonable person, I replied, yeah, of course.
As with all paint jobs, the preparation is just as important as the painting itself, if not more so. I used epoxy to fill and seal the wood. Once that was cured, I sanded it down after cleaning everything, and it was ready to paint. That's the part of the build that made me the most anxious. And during March and April it rained a lot in France. In fact, where I live, it rained 25 out of 31 days in March. Humidity is terrible for painting, so I did my best between two downpours. For the painting, it's the same process as in my video about matte painting. I used a black can of paint. I did 3 coats and let it dry for a week. Then the clear coat. With the black color, you can see all the defects in the paint, so I did my best to protect the guitar from the dust of my garage. Yeah, what a cool looking guy. I used 2K poly spray can to have a hard finish. Like I mentioned in my previous video, I always start spraying outside and finish outside the guitar. I let it cure for 3 days, give it a fine sanding and spray the second clear coat. Then let it dry for another week.
And now the most tedious part that requires a lot of patience. Sanding and polishing.
Yes, sanding. Because even if you're the best at spraying clear coat, you will always have an orange peel effect. This bad reflection, similar to an orange peel, means you have to flatten everything by sanding smooth. It can sound easy, but it's really not. You can sand through the paint really easily and quickly, and if so, you have to start over.
Oh putain. Oh non, t'es sérieux là?
And while I was sanding, I was testing the neck fit, and
Oh la
unfortunately,
vache.
I cracked the finish. Yep, what you can see here is the clear coat saying bye-bye to the paint underneath. That's a serious mistake, because it was late April, I had to leave out the base in 2 weeks, and I had to order new cans on the internet. Spray again, let it dry again, and sand again. Oh man, I was in deep trouble.
Okay, I stopped everything, ordered new cans online, and slept on it.
To save time, I used a trick that you can only do with black guitars. I patched my ear with black glue and accelerator. That way I could fill the holes and sand over it. It's an old trick, but of course it's only for black paints, so that's my luck, I guess. Then I sanded everything again, slowly, for the new clear coat to have something to grab into. And of course, I sprayed the new clear coat. Again.
Okay, so that was a race against the clock, because after that I had to let it cure for at least 5 days.
Okay, now it's April 30th and I have to deliver the base tomorrow. And I have a lot to do. Sand everything, polish, assemble all the parts, do all the wiring stuff and fine-tune everything. Let's go!
During the sanding and polishing of my repair, I allow myself to thank Cambly. As you know, I'm a Frenchman looking to improve his English, and Cambly kindly gave me access to a 3-month subscription in exchange for a bit of promotion in my videos. To be completely transparent, I'm not paid by Cambly. They want to support my work. Cambly is an English learning platform with 10 million users. It's a platform that allows you to easily talk with teachers whose native language is English. It's ideal for people who, like me, don't have the opportunity to talk in English in their daily life. Cambly is a flexible solution. You choose the length and frequency of your lessons. It's human and friendly because you're with 25,000 tutors who makes you feel at ease and help you progress. You have private lessons for personalized learning and small group lessons to progress together. So whether it's to boost your professional career or travel around the world, give it a try. For the French watching me and wants to progress too, Cambly offers you a 30-minute lessons trial for €1 and 50% off for private and group lessons with the link in description. Thanks Cambly.
Okay, so now that my bass is painted, clear-coated and polished, I can install the precision pickup I bought. This is the 1/4 pound Seymour Duncan, a passive pickup but really beefy. I really like this pickup for rock stuff. Now let's assemble this bad boy and do all the fine tuning. There it is, it's 8:30 PM. I finally finished the bass and I deliver the bass tomorrow. I bought a case for my buddy as a gift and to apologize for my mistake of drawing through the guitar. Despite all the difficulties, I'm very proud of the result and I hope my friend is too.
But hey, speaking of my friend, shouldn't we deliver him his bass? My friends, what projects! I'm really happy to see that I went through all the difficulties. Unfortunately, as I delivered the bass last minute, I could not record anything with it. But I asked my friend to record something with it, and I will post it on my Instagram page. Thanks a lot for your patience because it's been a while since I haven't uploaded any new videos. But I have a lot of new exciting projects to come. Thanks a lot for your watching and see you later.